Can you add memory to a laptop? Memory is a very essential part of a laptop. A little malfunctioning in your laptop's memory can cause a general performance lag in your computer. If you want to learn more about your laptop's memory and whether or not you can add memory to it, then you are in great luck. Let's dive in together, and by the end, you will know enough about your laptop's memory. Now, to the question. Can you add memory to a laptop? The answer is absolutely. Even though adding memory to your laptop's memory may seem impossible, it is in fact very much achievable. However, there are a lot of important factors to consider. Read further to fully understand this and make the proper decision for your laptop. A little peep into your laptop's memory. Even though there are external storage devices like floppy disks, CDs, DVDs, Blu-ray discs, your laptop's main memory consists of the primary storage device and the secondary storage device. The primary storage device is called the random access memory, RAM, while the secondary storage device can either be hard disk drives, HDD, solid-state drives, SSD, or a hybrid of both. Both the RAM of your laptop and the HDD or SSD can be improved. You can add memory to your laptop by either upgrading the RAM or the HDD/SSD. We will be considering the RAM and HDD/SSD separately. Trust me, you won't have any doubt after this. Can I upgrade the RAM of my laptop? Yes, you can. One of the options available to you is a DDR4 RAM. You can get it on Amazon. Link in the description. Don't be in a hurry though. Read on to know the RAM that is suitable for your laptop. After that, you can browse Amazon to get your RAM. The RAM is a very important component in your laptops. It performs a lot of functions that enable your computer to run effectively. I will quickly run through the functions of RAM in your system to enable you to appreciate its functions, which will in turn help you in the proper usage of your system's RAM. The RAM helps you to store data temporarily while files and programs are in use. It is very important in the sense that while you are working on your system, it helps to easily retrieve files. It acts as a workplace to display your data while in use. Does your laptop design give room for an upgrade? One cannot say that your laptop's RAM can be upgraded or not, because different laptops come with different designs. However, when you consider some factors, you will discover if the specific laptop you own can be upgraded, or if it will require much more effort than others to upgrade. Certain laptops are not as serviceable as others. These types are sealed shut or have everything soldered to the motherboard. If you are using this type of computer, you can see how difficult it will be able to upgrade the RAM. For example, Microsoft's Surface devices are sealed shut, while Apple's parts are soldered to the motherboard. However, with this, you cannot completely rule out the possibility of an upgrade. It just may require technical support from the brand service center before the upgrade can be made. The importance of RAM upgrades cannot be overemphasized, especially when your laptop starts running slowly and you need more computing power. Does your laptop still have slots for more RAM? Before you go ahead to upgrade your laptop's RAM, you have to check to know if your laptop still has slots for more RAM. This can be done using a software. You can also check the user manual to confirm. It is however advised that you should run it on a software. You can use any of the following software for it. 1. Crucial System Scanner. 2. CPU-Z. 3. Crucial Memory Advisor. If the result of the software check shows that your laptop has 2 slots, one of which is still empty, then your laptop has an extra slot for a RAM upgrade. How much more RAM can your laptop hold? Even if there is still a slot in your laptop for a RAM upgrade, your type of system and operating system, OS, will determine how much RAM upgrade your system can withstand. Most laptops can support up to 16 GB of RAM. It is important to know how much RAM your laptop can hold because some laptops are designed to recognize only a certain amount of memory. It is important to know this to avoid making a bad investment. You can find this out using any of the software mentioned earlier. How to install RAM into your laptop. Turn off or shut down your laptop. You may lose stored data if you put it in just hibernation mode or sleep. So, shut it down completely. Unplug the laptop and remove the battery. Use a screwdriver to remove all or part of the laptop's bottom to access the laptop's memory bay. Make sure you ground yourself before touching the memory module. This is to avoid electrostatic discharge. Touch any metal component in the computer to achieve this. Remove memory when needed. You may need to remove all the memory slots if they are all filled. Push apart the clips holding the memory module in place to remove it. Hold the memory module by the edge without touching the gold connectors, to prevent it from reducing connectivity. Install the new module. You have to install the new memory module by aligning the notch in the connector into the socket. Once inserted, press evenly on the edge of the device to key it in place. Once everything is in place, replace the bottom of the laptop and power it on. Can I upgrade my laptop's hard drive? Definitely. Your laptop's hard drive can be upgraded. The hard drive is a storage device where your data stores permanently. The hard drive does not allow writing data like the RAM. It basically stores data and allows you to read the data alone. The storage of data with hard drives is permanent. As much as random access memory is important, a laptop cannot do without a hard drive. Your laptop's hard drive can either be a hard disk drive, HDD, or solid-state drive, SSD. The hard disk drive rotates using mechanical platters to store data, while the solid-state drive uses flash memory to store information. The SSDs are a newer and much better development. However, they are more expensive. To upgrade your hard disk drive, 4 questions come to mind. 1. Can I upgrade my hard disk drive? 2. Can I upgrade my hard disk drive to solid-state drive? 3. Can I use both hard disk drive and solid-state drive at the same time? 4. Can I upgrade my SSD into a much larger SSD? Be rest assured, these questions will be answered shortly. Can I upgrade my hard disk drive? Of course, you can. To achieve this, you can install a second hard drive on your laptop. Your laptop may start running out of disk space, and this will start affecting the general performance of your system. To install a second hard drive, some factors are to be considered. I. Will your computer be able to house another hard drive? Generally, laptops are designed to house more than one hard drive. Most laptops possess more than one hard drive bay. However, some laptops contain just one hard drive bay. If that laptop possesses an optical drive bay, it can be improvised as a hard drive bay. 2. Which hard drive will be suitable for your laptop? The type of hard drive you can install into the extra hard drive bay is highly dependent on the composition of the hard drive bay. You have to consider the interface, thickness of the bay, and general size of the hard drive bay. Only hard drives that exactly fit the components of your laptop's hard drive bay can be used. You can order for a 500 GB Toshiba HDD on Amazon if it's compatible with your laptop. If it's not, you can browse Amazon to get more options. Can I upgrade my hard disk drive to a solid-state drive? Most computers come with an HDD instead of an SSD. This is because it is way cheaper than the SSD. However, in terms of functions and speed, the SSD is more enjoyable for your laptop. If you can afford it, then yes, you can upgrade your HDD to an SSD. Using an SSD instead of an HDD can bring a total difference in the performance of your laptop. SSDs are designed to be compatible with both Macintoshes, Mac, and personal computers, PCs. To successfully upgrade your HDD to an SSD, here are the steps you need to take. I. Get a compatible SSD replacement. 2. Move your data into the SSD. To achieve this, you need cloning software and an external drive case that helps to connect your SSD to the laptop through a USB port. 3. The next thing to do after transferring the files, which is the final step, is to insert the SSD into your device. Once these steps are taken, you are good to go. You can get your SSD on Amazon. Can I use both HDD and SSD at the same time? Yes. However, you have to consider if your laptop will be able to house another hard drive and find a suitable SSD for your laptop. Can I upgrade my current SSD to a larger SSD? Yes, you can. You just have to make sure that you find a compatible SSD for your laptop. Conclusion. It is possible to upgrade both your RAM and your HDD/SSD. It is very possible to upgrade your SSD into a much larger spaced SSD, and it is also possible to use the hybrid of both the SSD and HDD.